So that's the action on Wall Street. But in terms of the action next week in our own markets, which are the cues that we should pencil in? Let's find out. Snehi is still with us. Snehi, which are the events on the calendar that we should watch out for when it comes to trading action next week?
Well, yes, we're leaving behind a very hectic week of trade, but the next week to come is also going to be equally exciting because lots is happening in India as well as globally. Let's kickstart the list then. 9th of June, which is Sunday, PM Modi will be taking his oath. That's going to be a big event to watch out for. You also have the India-Pakistan match, and I'm very excited about it. 10th June, you have AMFI data coming up. 12th June, you have trade data, industrial production as well as CPI. 13th June, Nifty expiry, it's going to be a Thursday. And 14th June, wholesale prices data will be coming out. While this was on the domestic front, let's switch focus, talk about what's happening globally. 11th June from the US, Fed officials will begin their two-day monetary policy meeting. 12th June, you have CPI and you're going to have the FOMC rate decision. Along with that, you also have the API weekly crude oil stock. 13th June, you have PPI as well as initial jobless claims, to lots to watch out for. Shifting focus to UK, 11th June, jobless claims and unemployment data. 12th of June, industrial production, manufacturing production as well as GDP. Very important data, GDP coming out on the 12th of June. Eurozone, 13th June, you have industrial production, and China, on the 12th of June, you have inflation print in the form of PPI and CPI coming out. Let's focus back home. Take a look at what's going to be happening on the corporate front. 8th of June is going to be the AGM of Muthoot Microfinance. 10th June, Motilal Oswal Financial Services will be executing its bonus issue in the ratio 3:1, so watch out for that stock. And the board of NLC India will be meeting to mull fundraising. 11th June is going to be Tata Motors Investors Day. Solara Active Rights issue is going to close. Ajanta Pharma share buyback is going to be closing, and the board of Capacity Infra Projects and SBI will be meeting to mull fundraising. So watch out for both of these counters, especially SBI in the trading session. And board of Union Bank will also be meeting for general purposes. 12th June is going to be the Tata Communications Investors Day, and the board of Saskin Tech will be meeting for general purposes. 13th June, Anand Rathi Wealth share buyback will be closing, and Sanofi India demerger will be taking place. 14th June then, Kamdhenu Ventures stock split will be happening. Face value going from 5 rupees per share to rupees 1, and M&M Investor Day will be taking place. On the primary markets front, 10th of June, the Ixigo IPO is going to be opening, and lock-in period is also going to be ending over the week for Uniparts India, Gopal Snacks as well as JG Chemicals. So well, lots happening next week. Keep a close eye on all of these cues.
Yes, indeed, Snehi, while we're looking ahead at the next week, I can't not consider what has happened this week. Such a big week, mega events taking place, the Lok Sabha poll verdict, the RBI's...
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.